Eh,
ay may ano ko rod. Oh, bend na bend.
Ayan mo na.
Huwag ka naman sana maalis.
Oo, lang yan. Stingray.
Putang ina na. Oo. Kaya, di ko mana.
Sige.
Ang laking stingray niyan.
Kudyan, hindi stingray.
Ay, ipasalo. Uy, naputol. Naputol.
Bali.
Wala lang yan.
Medyo ba?
Putol.
Huwag ka mo ito kuya.
Oo, akin na.
Hilain mo na lang, hinaw.
Oh, that him, baby. No, get him. Right there. Flip him. You alright, bud? You gotta net him, bud. Don't pull on the line. You alright? You gotta net him. Pulling on it, they'll come right off. You're good. It's not a big deal. We just gotta net him. There's a fish on there.
What?
Boom! Bruh.
What the frick just happened?
I just launched him all the way over. That was a 3-pounder.
Ayun. Mahina pala.
Video ah.
Mahina pala yung omni.
Wala. Video kasi nakabidyo. Meron kang pang ano? Ha?
Bali.
Kuya, meron ka pang ano? Ano yung tawag ito?
Basahan?
Basahan?
Wala na.
Ano kay kuya?
Di sige. Bigyan pa sana.
Wala. Nakatakas.
Nakatakas?
Ay, nako.
Wala.
Ano ko yun?
Nakatakas o putol ang kwan?
Putol.
Broke me off. Wow.
Were we both casting or what?
No, you just took it right